Very good morning to one and all. In today's session, we are going to discuss about market and national income. Now, myself Ronak Jadhav from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. Now, what do you mean by market? Market, we can say that market is a place where buying and selling activities are carried out in terms of exchange of money. Okay. Now, what do you mean by perfect competition in a market? Perfect competition. Now, we can say that there will be perfect competition if there are a large number of buyers and sellers in the market. Then there will be a homogeneous product, means large number of buyers and sellers are present in the market which are selling the same kind of product. Then there will be a more competition. Third is the free entry or exit, means if large number of buyers and sellers are allowed for the free entry and exit, then there will be the more buyer and seller in the market, which will increase the competition. Next, all the buyers and sellers in the market have perfect knowledge about the market condition. If all the present buyers and seller in the market, they have perfect knowledge about the market condition, then there will be the more competition amongst them. Next is the perfect mobility of factors of production. If there will be more mobility for the factors of production, then there will be a more competition. Then next is the absence of transportation cost. If the transportation cost is absent, then there will be more number of buyers and sellers will be coming in the market for selling. So these are the various features or characteristic for the perfect competition. Now next term is monopoly. Now what do you mean the monopoly? The term mono means single. Now monopoly means single selling, means only one seller or producer of a product in a market. For example, if suppose I'm manufacturing one Android phone, now that features which that cell phone is having is no one means there will be no other phone having that type of specification or specialization or features. Okay, so that type of product is called monopoly, means only single seller or single producer, means only I am manufacturing and I am only supplying. So that type of condition is called the monopoly. Now we'll see the various features of monopoly. One seller and large number of buyers. Like perfect competition, there are large number of buyers and seller. Now here only one seller and large number of buyers. Now here no close substitute of the product, means same substitute product there will be not available in the market. Monopolist is a price taker and not a price taker but a price maker. Now as I am only the producer, I am only the manufacturer, so I will decide the price. So it is known as a price maker. Now it can control the supply because there is only one seller or one producer, so it can control over the supply. He will decide whom he should give or whom he or she should not give. No entry of the new firm to the market. So these are the various features of the monopoly. Now causes of monopoly. First reason for the monopoly is legal restriction. Suppose sometime the products are like ban in other state, for example liquor. So that type of product is called that type of product will be under the monopoly due to the legal restriction. Second is exclusive ownership or control over the raw material. For gaining an ownership control of raw material, monopoly occurs. Then exclusive knowledge of the production technique. If particular person is having a production technique knowledge, then due to which it will lead to a monopoly. Now a monopoly firm has complete control over the entire supply. It can sell the different quantities at different price. Yes, it can sell more if it cut down its price. So here the profit margin will be more. Now next topic is difference between the perfect competition and monopoly. Now under perfect competition there are many sellers, but in a monopoly there are only one seller, as the name suggests, mono. Second difference is individual seller has no control over the market supply in case of perfect competition. Yes, supply over the control is not there in the perfect competition, while in case of monopoly, seller controls the supply. Products, third difference is products are identical in case of perfect competition. Yes, products are same, but there is only one product in case of monopoly. In case of monopoly, there will be no identical product. There are free entry and exit of the firm in perfect competition. Yes, but the monopolist block the entry, means there will be only one seller and large number of buyers. The monopolist discriminate the price, but there is a uniform price in the perfect competition. Yes, the price will be uniform in perfect competition, while the monopolist will discriminate, means they are the price makers. Next is a monopolist competition. Monopolistic competition means a market situation in which